the roar of engines, the whistling of bombs. These sounds have become synonymous with the power and terror of aerial warfare. The mushroom cloud on the horizon, a haunting reminder of the destructive potential that aircraft can unleash. It is a scene repeated throughout the 20th and now 21st centuries. From the trenches of World War I to the deserts of the Middle East, the bomber has been a constant presence, and at the heart of this new form of war has been the bomber. These flying fortresses have shaped the course of history. The bomber has come a long way since its humble beginnings. What started as simple aircraft dropping rudimentary bombs has evolved into sophisticated machines of war. We saw the early biplanes of World War I dropping small explosives. These early attempts were crude but marked the beginning of a new era in warfare. These then became the heavy bombers of World War II. Massive aircraft capable of carrying large payloads over long distances. Aircraft like the American B-17 and British Lancaster rained fire from the sky. Their missions were devastating and pivotal in the outcome of the war. They forever changed how we fight wars. The bomber became a symbol of strategic power and military might. The Cold War then saw the rise of the jet bomber. Faster, more powerful, and capable of carrying nuclear weapons. The B-52 is a perfect example. This aircraft has been in service for decades and remains a cornerstone of American air power. This long-range behemoth could deliver nuclear payloads across continents. Its presence alone was a deterrent during the tense years of the Cold War. It became a symbol of American military might. The B-52's endurance and versatility have made it a legend in the annals of aviation history. But the evolution of warfare never stops. As technology advances, so too does the design and capability of bombers. As we entered the 21st century, a new bomber emerged from the shadows, the B-2 Spirit. This aircraft was unlike anything seen before. With its sleek, almost alien design, it marked a revolution in stealth technology. The B-2 could evade radar and deliver its payload with precision. The B-2 was a sign of things to come. It represented the cutting edge of military aviation and set the stage for future developments. Now, we stand at the cusp of a new era in aerial warfare. The advancements in technology continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. The year is 2025, and the much-anticipated B-21 Raider has taken to the skies. This aircraft promises to be a game-changer. This is not just an upgrade. The B-21 represents a new philosophy in bomber design and capability. It is a complete transformation. The B-21 incorporates the latest in stealth avionics and weapons technology. The B-21 is packed with advanced technologies. It is designed to operate in the most contested environments and deliver its payload with pinpoint accuracy. It promises to redefine the future of air power. The B-21 is not just a bomber. It is a symbol of the future of warfare, but it is also a source of both excitement and concern. As we look to the future, we must consider the implications of these powerful new tools of war. U.S. military. Stealth technology is the B-21's most defining feature. It is what sets it apart from its predecessors and any other bomber in the world. The B-21's stealth capabilities are the result of decades of research and development. They are a testament to the ingenuity of American engineers and scientists. The science of stealth is complex. It is about minimizing an aircraft's radar cross-section. This refers to the size of the object as it appears on radar. A smaller radar cross-section makes the aircraft harder to detect. The The B-21 achieves this through a combination of its unique shape, special materials, and careful attention to detail in the manufacturing process. The B-21's shape is designed to scatter radar waves. This makes it appear much smaller on radar screens. The aircraft's surface is also coated with radar-absorbent materials. These materials trap radar waves and prevent them from bouncing back to the enemy radar. Every aspect of the B-21, from its engines to its weapons bays, has been designed with stealth in mind. The result is an aircraft that is virtually invisible to enemy radar. This gives the B-21 a significant tactical advantage. It can operate with near impunity in contested airspace. This makes it a game-changer in modern warfare. Section 4. The AI Advantage. Thinking Machines at War. Stealth is only one part of the B-21's edge. This advanced aircraft is designed to evade enemy radar and remain undetected, but its true power lies beyond just its stealth capabilities. What truly makes this bomber revolutionary is its brain. The integration of cutting-edge artificial intelligence transforms it from a mere machine into a thinking entity capable of making complex decisions. The B-21 is a flying example of the growing role of artificial intelligence in warfare. It represents a significant leap forward in how military operations are conducted. It is equipped with advanced AI systems that enhance its capabilities in several key ways. These systems are designed to improve efficiency, accuracy, and overall mission success. Firstly, AI improves the B-21's situational awareness. This is crucial in modern warfare, where the ability to understand and react to the environment can mean the difference between success and failure. The bomber's sensors collect vast amounts of data. These sensors are highly sophisticated, capable of detecting a wide range of signals and information from the surrounding environment. This includes radar, electronic signals, and even images. The AI processes this data to create a comprehensive picture of the battlefield. The AI can process this information in real time. This real-time processing capability is essential for making quick and informed decisions during missions. It can quickly identify threats and provide the crew with a clear picture of the battle space. This allows for more effective planning and execution of missions. But AI is not just about analyzing data. It also plays a crucial role in decision-making processes. It can also help the B-21 make decisions. The AI can evaluate different scenarios and suggest the best course of action. The bomber's AI can assess threats, prioritize targets, and even recommend courses of action to the crew. This level of support is invaluable in high-pressure situations. This allows the B-21 to react faster to changing circumstances. The ability to adapt quickly is a significant advantage in dynamic combat environments. It can adapt to unforeseen events, making it a more unpredictable and deadly opponent. This unpredictability makes it harder for enemies to anticipate and counter its actions. The B-21's AI can also work autonomously. This means it can perform certain tasks without needing direct human intervention. This means it can fly missions without direct human control. Autonomous capabilities allow for more flexible and efficient mission planning. This doesn't mean the B-21 is a fully robotic weapon system. Human oversight remains a critical component of its operations. Human operators will still make the final decisions on weapon deployment. This ensures that ethical and strategic considerations are always taken into account. However, the AI can handle many of the tasks that were previously performed by humans. This reduces the workload on the crew and allows them to focus on more critical tasks. This allows the crew to focus on the most critical aspects of the mission. By leveraging AI, the B-21 maximizes its operational effectiveness and ensures mission success. Section 5. Shifting Sands of Power. Global Impacts of the B-21. The arrival of the B-21 Raider is not just a concern for the United States Air Force. This advanced stealth bomber represents a significant leap in military technology, and its implications are being felt far beyond American borders. It has sent ripples across the geopolitical landscape, altering the balance of power in ways that are still unfolding. The B-21's introduction has prompted a re-evaluation of military strategies worldwide. Its advanced capabilities, particularly its long-range strike potential, have forced rival nations to rethink their military strategies and defensive postures. The ability to strike targets with precision from great distances makes it a formidable tool in modern warfare. For American allies, particularly those in the Indo-Pacific region, the B-21 represents a significant deterrent against potential aggression. Its presence reassures these nations of the United States' commitment to their defense. The bomber's ability to operate undetected deep within enemy territory provides a powerful security umbrella. This stealth capability ensures that it can penetrate even the most sophisticated air defense systems. This is particularly relevant in the context of rising tensions with China. The South China Sea, a region fraught with territorial disputes, sees the B-21 as a game-changer in maintaining a balance of power. The B-21 is also expected to play a key role in joint exercises and training operations with allied nations. These exercises are crucial for building trust and ensuring seamless cooperation in times of conflict. This will enhance interoperability between air forces, allowing for more coordinated and effective responses to global threats. The ability to operate together smoothly is a cornerstone of modern military alliances. It will strengthen military partnerships, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose among allied nations. These partnerships are vital for maintaining global stability and peace. The bomber's presence alone in these exercises serves as a visible demonstration of American commitment to its allies. It sends a clear message of deterrence to potential adversaries. However, the B-21 has also raised concerns about a potential arms race. As nations strive to match or counter its capabilities, there is a risk of escalating military expenditures and tensions. As other nations seek to counter its capabilities, we may see a new wave of investment in advanced weapons systems. This could lead to a proliferation of high-tech military hardware around the world. This could further destabilize already volatile regions, exacerbating existing conflicts and creating new flashpoints. The challenge will be to manage these developments responsibly. The challenge for the United States will be to manage the deployment and operation of the B-21 in a way that strengthens deterrence without provoking unnecessary escalation. Balancing power and diplomacy will be key to navigating this complex landscape.